Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're looking at the best curbside deals until December the 9th over at Walgreens. What curbside pickup means is you're ordering this stuff through your cell phone, tablet, desktop computer, placing an order in electronically, driving to the store and picking it up. So you're hitting the button on the left-hand side with the red check. That easy. If you are more of a shopper that likes to shop in-store and you like register rewards and just old-fashioned in-store shopping, please check out the video I posted yesterday. I go through a bunch of weekly deals and steals, and it is all there. I will link this video at the very end. Now, in case you missed it, these double packs of the Lysol, I think this is a pricing error that they made. $2.29, which is the sales price of a single. We have a 50-cent digital, dropping this down to $1.79. I think this is in larger markets only where you can get these double packs. Certainly not up here in small town Michigan. But if you live in a bigger city, you might want to put in a curbside order or go to the store. They're ringing up also for this price. But I would stock up because you're getting these for like 80-something cents per. Very good deal. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to do is the Gillette Venus. So we are going to grab a men's razor for 12 buckos and then the ladies' razor for 10. So that is a total of 22 bucks. If you might have a booster, it's a much better deal, but we're working this one without a booster. So we have $3 digital coupons for both of these razors. So you're going to load both of these guys, load them right away. Now, this is the promotion to buy two, get $8 in Walgreens cash. Because the word spend is not there, yes, you in fact can roll your Walgreens cash to earn that $8. So that's a little pop quiz and lesson today. So throwing those two razors in the basket is $22. Curbside pickup is free, a bit of tax. $6 coming off for $17.32. I personally would throw in $10 in Walgreens cash. Pay that $7 and some change and get back $8. Not the worst deal to get some very cheap and inexpensive razors. If you might have a booster, it's in more of an advantageous deal. But we're working with what we have. I would just, use a bit of Walgreens cash and get that $8 back. Now we're looking at deal number 2. This guy is just a hodgepodge of stuff. The first is the 2 bacons, and yes, they will keep it in a fridge. They're not going to put it on a behind the photo counter. They'll refrigerate that for you, along with 2 of the Kit Kats for $5. Now, Kit Kat, there are some digital coupons to go with, and just to show you, load this guy. It's $1 off too. If you want to grab a Symphony bar or a Cadbury bar, I just went with Kit Kat because I'm boring. And then we have this IVC, which is a Walgreens coupon as well to load. So that's $2 off right there. Looking at the overall basket, guys, we have this savings for the 2 Hershey's, and WAG 10 will also come off because you have some regular priced items in the basket. $13.99. $1.30 off with the IVC and WAG 10, free curbside pickup, 22 cents in tax, and $1 digital coming off as well. If you have it on your store card, I would throw in $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.91 and call this a very good deal. You have 2 little stocking stuffers and 2 gorgeous packs of bacon. And guys, if you go to Walmart, I think it's like almost $9 for that exact bacon. So this is a steal of a deal. I would throw in the Walgreens cash if you might have it to get your out of pocket a lot less. Okay, so now we have deal number 3. We are going to be grabbing 3 bags of the Hershey's Holiday Kisses, whichever ones you want. I just went with the most plain ones. And we're going to load the following, the IVC, along with the 2 off of 2. Load these 2 coupons either way. There's going to be deals with them. And we are going to grab 4 of these holiday bags for $7.97. And there's a lot of digital coupons to go with the Hallmark. I have so many. We also have these smaller bags of the Ghirardelli. It's just like 1 candy per bag, perfect for stockings. So $2.40 for 2. And we have this digital coupon, which is $1 off, and it is attaching. Now, just to show you the crazy hodgepodge of coupons. And here it is. It's just a huge chorus line. And as you can see, I have a lot of Hallmark coupons coming off as well. The overall basket, guys, $25.34. IVC $2.79, free curbside pickup, and $10.97 in digitals melting off. $12.02. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.06 and call this a very good deal. Okay, so now we're at deal number 4. We are going to be grabbing 2 of these Olay. It's like a night cream, and they are on a buy one, get one 50% off. Might be a little harder to find in your region. I know it was harder to find up here, but I finally found 2 at one store. That's $16.48. We have this digital coupon, which is a 12 off of 2, and yes, it is attaching to said product. So this is a different sort of scenario. 2 of those for $12.48. WAG 10 is actually taking 45 cents off. We have a bit of tax, and the $12 digital's coming off. You're going to pay $4 out of pocket. I would use $4 in Walgreens cash and pay 36 cents. Because the amount of the coupon is past $10, you've reached it. So you don't need to get another $6 of stuff. This should work perfectly at checkout. Okay, so deal number 5. We are going to be grabbing 2 of the Olay makeup removers, also on BOGO 50% off for $9.43. We have this beautiful $5 off digital coupon. It's a 5 off of 2. Make sure you have that guy loaded for extra savings. 2 toilet bowl cleaners. If you can't track down those double packs, let's try this one for $4.58. And 3 of these caramel squares for $3.60. And then we're going to load this guy, which is $1 off for the Ghirardelli. For whatever reason, the 50-cent Lysol wouldn't attach to that single toilet bowl cleaner, but maybe you'll have better luck than I. Just to show you, I used WAG 10 and $1.16 came off, and the rest of the chorus line there. The overall total for this basket was $17.61. $1.16 in instant savings and codes and IVC, and then free curbside pickup, $6 in coupons coming off for $11.24. If you have it, I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.24 and call this a very good deal. And the final basket that we have is a mix and match of stuff. We're going to grab 2 of the Hershey's Kisses for $8.98 on a BOGO 50% off. Load the IVC and the 2 off 2 digital coupon. So these 2 guys. Then we're going to grab the 2 for $11, 1 Tampax pads, or Always pads, pardon me, and then 1 of the Tampax. And then these are only for you, so hopefully you have the same coupons as I, but it's a $3 off for each, which is like really generous. So load both of these guys if you had that $6 off of an $11 basket. This used to be an item we would get for free all the time, but not so much, but we'll still try and make a deal. So the overall basket is $19.98, $1 coming off for your Kisses, free curbside pickup, no tax here, and $8 melting off Pourvu. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay 98 cents for some pads, tampons, and 2 things of candy. A very good deal. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.